This is becoming one of my ultimate favourite lunches, and for good reason. My name's Dominique Ludwig and I'm a nutritionist, and I'm always looking to find ways to make eggs fill us up. So eggs are fantastic, but they only contain 6 grams of protein each, which is 12 grams if you're having 2, which is not enough for a woman for their lunch. So how do we add onto the protein and deliver still with the taste? Well, this is my Turkish eggs. I've made a base using 150 grams of Greek yogurt with garlic, lemon juice, coriander. I've topped it with green garlic pesto and 2 poached eggs and a little bit of rocket. And you can have it if you want with some bread or something on the side. But this then is going to deliver almost 30 grams of protein, which is going to keep you full up all afternoon or all morning, depending on when you're going to eat this. And it's going to stop you wanting to snack. And the thing when you reset your metabolism and you eat enough protein, fibre and fats at the meal is that you don't want to eat between meals. So you don't feel deprived. You feel like you can eat whatever you want, but you're just not hungry. So this is it. This is my Turkish eggs. It's beautiful and it tastes absolutely delicious. But just don't breathe on anyone afterwards.